Cambium cnPilot runs the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top. The captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your cnPilot access point keeps running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through standard mechanisms the access point already supports. It does not replace any of your Cambium kit. First, set the portal mode to an external hotspot in the access point's guest access settings, so a new device is redirected to your Purple splash page. Second, add Purple's radius service so the access point checks each sign-in on port 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting, with updates that keep your visitor analytics current. Third, add the whitelist addresses so a device can reach the splash page and any sign-in steps before it has signed in. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.